Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video on AutoHotkey in Excel, I'm going to demonstrate how to use my Excel function library to insert and delete worksheets. So, of course, you have to connect to the Excel object, and so that's what line 5 is doing here. And then I'm going to just pull up my Excel function. So Excel, let's insert. Now I want to insert a worksheet, and then we need to reference the object that we put in the handle in row 5. And then I can choose the default. If you don't do anything, let's just do this. So I'm gonna save it, reload it, run it. It'll just put in a sequentially numbered whatever it is. So you see it's sheet name 6. But what if I wanted to give it a name? So I can put in a name and say duh, and now when it inserts, it'll put it as duh instead of just 6. Also, you should check out my other video if you want to deal with the ordering, because sometimes after you insert one, you want to change the order of them. So I have a video covering that. And then once you want to delete them, so Excel delete worksheet. So again, Excel, and here, if you don't give it a name, let's actually give, let's see. I should have inserted, let's insert one more here. Wow, this is getting messed up. There we go. Trying to hit save. Blank parameter on which, oh, I didn't, I got rid of the pointer here. There we go, and let's not do that first. Okay, so now it's got multiple ones. Let's say I wanted to delete duh, and it's not active, right? This is the nice thing. So I can just put in here, DUH, save it, reload, and run, and notice duh disappears. Now, if I just wanted to delete the active worksheet, it's built the same way as the insert, is I can just pass the pointer to it, and it will delete the active worksheet. And I'll do that one more time to get back where I was. So it's pretty darn easy to use, I think intuitive, and that's it. Thanks.